Now, generally called differentiation, where we look at very many things like derivative functions, gradient of curve points, tangent and normal, and application areas in differentiation. So just in case you have any question concerning the topic, just write it on a comment section or post a photo of it, then I'll be able to answer you. So on this question, the major points here we have: first, it is an equation of a curve, it's differentiation. Then they are asking equation of normal, which I also call a perpendicular equation. So let us look at the way we start. So first of all, we have the value of x. So if I have a value of x, what I'm supposed to find first is the value of y. So how do I find value of y? I use the function here. I told to find the value of y, you're supposed to take 3x squared minus 2x. So if I replace 2 here in x, it becomes 3 into 2 squared minus 2 into 2. So if I can just place that on the calculator, I have 2 squared minus 2 into 2. We have that the value of y is 8. So it means that this line are at point 2, 8. Then the next thing is to find the gradient. And how do I find the gradient? In curved equations, I'm supposed to differentiate the equation here. So to differentiate, I'm going to take the change dy over dx. So to differentiate simply means I subtract 1. I'm going to multiply 3 times 2. This is the equation here, 3x squared minus 2x. I take this number on top, I multiply it by the number in front. Then on the powers, I reduce by 1. Same to this one also. The number here, I assume it is 1. Therefore, I'm going to have 2 times 1. Then x 1 minus 1. So it means if I differentiate this one, I have 6x minus, this is 0. Here I have 2. Now the value of x, I know very well that it is 2. So if I replace here, I have 6 into 2 minus 2, where I have 10. So this one becomes the gradient of the curve. Just to proceed, if now I have the gradient, remember it is an equation of a normal, and I know for a normal equation, I know that m1 times m2 should give me -1. Therefore, for me to find m2, if this one is gradient is m1, so to find m2, I'm going to take -1 over m1. Therefore, my second gradient becomes -1 over 10. So I'm going now to take the 2 points here to form an equation, because that was the one, they want an equation. How do I form equation? I say change in y, because this one is x and this one is y. So y minus 8 and x minus 2 is equals to -1 over 10. So from this point now you can use any method, either to leave your answer in form of ab plus b, ax plus bx plus c is equals to 0, or y is equals to mx plus c. So I'm going to find my answer in form of y is equals to mx plus c. I can cross multiply. So if I cross multiply this, I'm going to have 10 into y minus 8 is equals to -1 into x minus 2. So I have here 10y minus 80 is equals to -1, which is -x, plus, because a negative and a negative, so I have here 2. So I have 10y is equals to -x plus 2 plus 80. Therefore, I'm going to have 10y is equals to -x plus 82. 10x plus 82. So if I divide both sides by 10, the value of y becomes -x, or -1 over 10, plus 82 divided by 10, which is 41 over 5. So I can either write my answer as y is equals to negative x over 10 plus 41 over 5 for the people who are using y is equals to mx plus c, or I can say x plus 10y is equal minus 82 is equals to 0 for the people who want to leave the answer in the form of ax plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Any here will give you the 4 marks. For any question, just put it on the comment section. Thank you.